Hi guys, this is part 3 of Slime Time 1 Season. Today we will be reviewing All Mind Rainbow Putty. Okay, we're only using the... Okay, we're back again. We just got disconnected. Okay, now we're going to be showing you how to play with the putty. It's very glittery. It feels... It's not very galactic. It's not very stretchy. But you can make slime bubbles with this. But you can't really make it that easy. You have to do this and okay then. I'll be showing you guys how to try to make this. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, bye guys. Have a happy Black Friday.